Reversing seat post mounting bracket. 1. Remove seat from seat post by loosening the seat post clamp bolts. 2. Loosen and remove nuts from both sides of the seat post clamp. 3. Remove outer clamp pieces, observing their orientation. 4. Slide remaining clamp rearward off the seat rails. 5. Turn clamp 180 degrees and slide it back onto the seat rails. 6. Install outer clamp pieces, observing their correct orientation. 7. Install nuts to outside of the seat post clamp. 8. Install seat onto seat post and fully tighten both nuts.